The lucky few West Australians have been left starstruck by a celestial sight, a meteor so powerful it rattled homes from Middle Swan to Esperance.
A spectacular beam of light exploding in the southern sky. The bright flash followed by a sonic boom around 5:30 this morning. It quickly disappears into blazing fireballs headed towards WA. This clip captured on Dashcam along Roe Highway near Middle Swan, sparking wonder among stunned observers.
No, it's not a first strike from aliens. It was just a piece of rock flying around and it got in Earth's way. So what we're seeing is a meteor that was mostly made up of iron, and that's where you get the green colour coming from.
A rogue meteor breaking into Earth's atmosphere. Witnesses on the southwest coast as far as Esperance mistaking the sound for a huge clap of thunder. A rumble so strong it rattled windows.
The actual rock just explodes. It can't handle it, and it just explodes, and that sonic boom is what people were hearing.
The sky show lasting several seconds, captured on Perth Observatory's night cameras. While this meteoroid could have done some serious damage, the space rock, estimated to be billions of years old, was only half the size of a human palm. The Perth Observatory says it's likely to have burnt before even hitting West Aussie soil.
It's been orbiting around the sun from the very beginning of our solar system, and unfortunately it's met its untimely death.
Zarisha Bradley, 9 News.